Hello dear viewers, welcome to this channel. Today we will talk about kitchen. Kitchen is the heart of every home and it is essential to keep modern and stylish. Kitchen is not only a place to cook, but it's also a place where family members gather to share meals and spend quality time together. Therefore, it is essential to keep kitchen decor up to date with the latest trend. Here are some modern and stylish kitchen decor ideas that will transform your kitchen into functional and stylish place. Number 1. Minimalism design. Minimalism is a popular trend in modern kitchen decor. It involves keeping the design simple and clutter-free. Also, minimalism idea or design is all about creating a clean and sleek look with a few items. Number 2. Open shelving. Open shelving is a popular trend in modern kitchens that adds a touch of sophistication to the space. It involves removing the upper cabinet and replacing them with open shelves. Number 3. Bold color accents. Bold color accents can add a pop of color to a natural kitchen. Throughout the use of bright colored appliances, colorful backsplashes, or even colorful cabinets. Bold color accents can add a personality and character to kitchen. Number 4. Industrial style. Industrial style is inspired by factory and warehouses, and it involves the use of raw materials such as metal, concrete, and wood. It is perfect for those who want a modern and edgy-cool look in the kitchen. Number 5. Natural elements. Natural elements such as wood, stone, and plants can add warmth and texture to a modern kitchen. The use of natural elements can create a cozy and inviting feeling in the kitchen. Number 6. Smart appliances. Smart appliances are becoming increasingly popular in modern kitchens. Smart appliances such as refrigerator, oven, and dishwashers can be controlled remotely through smartphone or tablet. Smart appliances can make cooking and cleaning more efficient and convenient. Number 7. Lighting. Lighting is an essential element in the modern kitchen decor. The lighting should be functional and stylish. The use of pendant light above the island or table can create a functional point in the kitchen. Under cabinet light can also add a touch of sophistication to the space. Number 8. Mixed materials. The use of mixed materials such as wood, metal, and glass can create a unique look in the kitchen. Mixing materials can add depth and texture to the space. The use of metal bar tool with wooden countertop or glass pendant light with a metal backsplash can create a modern and stylish look in the kitchen. Number 9. Hidden storage. Hidden storage is essential in modern kitchen decor. It involves using creative storage solutions such as pull-up drawers or hidden cabinet to minimize storage space in the kitchen. Hidden can keep the kitchen clutter-free and organized. In conclusion, modern and stylish kitchen decor idea involves keeping the design simple, using bold color accents, incorporating natural elements, using smart appliances, focusing on lighting, mixing materials, and incorporating hidden storage solution. This idea will transform your kitchen into a functional and stylish space that you will love spending time in. Thanks for your time and patience. Stay blessed.